Okay, so we have our shrimp here. We're gonna season her up. Okay, we're using Obey seasoning. This is shrimp bouillon. We're also gonna use a little bit of chicken bouillon. A little bit of black pepper. A little bit of butter garlic. Give it a little kick, make it a little spicy. Cayenne powder. We're just gonna mix that up all together. And yes, I cleaned my shrimp. I cleaned it from the rooty to the tooty, okay? Look at the seasoning on that there. Okay, so now we're gonna get the skillet. We're gonna add half of a stick of butter. I'm using my little lakes. And we're also going to use a little bit of oil. Let that melt down and come together. That's exactly where I need my apron on. So, okay. So once that oil and butter is there, oh shoot, I should be using some fresh garlic, honestly. Okay, now we're going to add the shrimps. You don't want to overcrowd it. You can check on this. And wow, this smells so good. Go ahead and flip those shrimps over. So I just want to show you guys how tender this steak is. So you can take a fork and twist it in there. It's tender. It's tender. That is a phenomenal well done steak. Let me take these out. That's so good. Okay, so now we're just gonna add the shrimps back. I mean, not back, but add the shrimp into this sauce.